Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can add photo in Facebook. It's pretty simple. So after you open Facebook, you want to click on plus at the top right corner. Once you click on plus, it's going to give you all this option. Now you can add photo both in story or in post, but I will show you how to do it in post. So I'll click on post, and at the bottom you can see the option called photo and video. You need to click on that and click on continue. Click on allow access to all photos. So what I've just done is I have given Facebook access to all the photos and videos I have on my phone. You need to give access as well, otherwise you can't move forward. So I'm going to upload this photo, so I will choose that and I will click on done. And I can also write anything about this photo if I want to. After I write whatever I want, I can click on post at the top right and the photo will be posted. That's how you guys can add photos on Facebook. And if you want to add a profile picture, you need to click on menu at the bottom right and click on your username at the top left of your screen. That's going to bring you inside your profile. Right beside your profile picture, the circle profile picture, there is a camera. Click on it and click on select profile picture, and you can choose a picture from your gallery and click on save and wait for some time, and that is going to be your profile picture, and you will also be adding a picture in Facebook. So yeah, that is how you guys can add picture in Facebook in both the way in profile and in timeline. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.